Does natural law build faith? Absolutely, for three important reasons. One is simply that once you accept and really get honest about the fact that there is a governing right and wrong, then you start to ask questions about why is there a right and a wrong? And where did that right and wrong come from? And what is right and what is wrong? And those questions of why will eventually lead you back to a creator. Another one is that living correct principles trains the divine conscience and helps us find appropriate applications. This is Covey again. The key to spiritual growth is to teach correct principles and then to encourage others to govern themselves according to these principles, allowing God to prompt the appropriate practices. In this way, a person becomes increasingly independent of the things of this earth and develops appropriate dependence upon the things of God. The third reason that the natural moral law will help us build faith in ourselves and those around us is because you can more clearly see God when you're trying to see things His way. I used to have this plaque up on my wall from C.S. Lewis. It says, "I believe in God as I believe in the sun, not because I can see it, but because of it all things are seen." The natural law or the laws of human nature work. Because of them, all things are seen. Life begins to make sense. We have a way forward. It's not so confusing and chaotic anymore. It becomes more orderly and clear. More stable emotions follow, and you see your way forward. You begin to have hope and faith that there are answers to the problems that you face and that we face as a society. And this is a foundation that you can stand on with absolute confidence.